Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the searching method, right? Searching topic, right? So today we'll be discussing on the topic sets basically, right? So let's get into the definition part here. A set in Python is unordered collection of unique and immutable elements. So it has to be always unique, right? So it will give us the unique elements basically in the output, right? So if the duplicate is found, we will be getting only the unique elements if we make use of the set. So just remember this one. A set in the Python is an unordered collection of unique and immutable elements. Sets are commonly used to eliminate the duplicates. Just remember this one, right? Sets are commonly used to eliminate the duplicates and perform the mathematical set operations. Just keep this in mind, right? So without wasting time, let's get into the example. But before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing. So here sets are defined using this one, flower bracket or set sorry, this has to be parenthesis. I have already made use of this one, right? So this is fine. Set are used using the flower brackets or set parenthesis constructor, right? Set parenthesis constructor. Just keep this in mind, right? So one more thing, they automatically remove the duplicates. Sets, what it does, it automatically remove the duplicates, and elements must be hashable. Hashable means immutable, just like numbers, strings, tuples. Elements must be hashable, right? Immutable when we make use of the sets. And sets support operations like, so it supports operations like set1 or set2. So these are the operations. Let me write this one so that we understand this one, right? So here it supports, first operation that it supports is union, right? So I'll just go with union here. Union, whether it may be set1 union set2, set1 union set2, right? So this is fine. Next one is intersection. So this will be intersection. So this one will be set1 intersection set2. This will be set2, right? So this is fine. Next we'll be going with the difference. So this will be difference. So this one will be set1 hyphen set2 hyphen set2. The last one is membership. The last one is membership test. So this will be sorry, yeah, this will be xn xn set, right? So these are the four things basically. The set supports operations like union, intersection, difference, as well as membership test, right? So these are the four operations you can consider. So I'll just comment out this one. Just keep this in mind. Keep this in mind, man. Now, I hope this part is completely clear. Sets are defined using flower brackets or the set parenthesis constructor, right? So this one, set supports four operations, nothing but here in this case, union, intersection, difference, as well as the membership, right? So this is fine. Membership test basically, right? I hope this part is completely clear. Also, keep this thing also in the mind that they automatically remove the duplicates. In most of the cases, we'll be making use of the set just to remove the duplicates itself, right? So let's consider the example so that you understand the concept clearly. So first thing is, let's create the set with duplicate. So I'll just go with s equals, so this one 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So or I'll just go with 4 5. So let's go with some this one, right? Duplicates here. So I'll just go with 1. So this is fine. Have to make use of the sets, right? So I forgot this one. This is fine. 1 2 3 2 1. This is fine, man. Now let's print. This one is set after creation. So this is fine, comma s, comma s. This is fine. So this is by making use of this, what we are doing, we are removing the duplicates here. So the output has to be the output that we need to get here is 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? So we are removing the duplicates, right? So this is fine. This is the first example. Let me go with one more example here. So suppose if we want to add the element, set provides add operation as well. So I can just go with s. So I've considered the variable s, right? So I can just go with s dot add here. S dot add. Let's add some element. So I'll just add the element 4. right? So 1 2 3 is already present in the set, so we'll be adding 4, right? So let me print here, print after adding 4. So this one, let me print the s after adding the element 4. So this is fine. Let's move on with the third example. Suppose if you want to remove the element from the set, so I can just make use of the remove operation that the set provides. So let me go with the remove keyword. So this is showing in the suggestions, you can see here, right? So remove of we have 1 2 3 4 in the set, so let me remove 2 here. So let's print something here. So let me copy this one, this line, the line number 15, and let me paste it over here. So after adding, I'll just change this one to after removing or deleting. You can give here, instead of 4, I'll just give 2 here. I'll just give mm, 2 here. So this is fine. We are done with the removing an element from the set as well. So first what we did, we removed the duplicates. Next we added an element. Next we removed the element from the set. Now let's do one thing. Let's go with the checking membership, right? So this we will get the output in the form of boolean value whenever we check for the membership. So this will give us the output in either boolean value true or false. So let me go with print here. So let me give here is 3 in sets, is 3 in set. So this is fine. Question mark. So this is fine. If it is, let me give 3 in s. This is fine. Also, let me print is 5 in s, 5 in s. This is fine. 5 in set. Instead, let me write this one completely. The previous line I have written set, right? So I'll just write this one. So I'll just give here 5 and yes, if the 5 is present, right? So here in this case, yes, 3 is present in the set. We have the elements 1 2 3 4, right? So 1 2 3 4. After that we have removed the element 2. We have removed the element 2. So we have 1 3 4 in the set. We have 1 3 4 in the set. Now we are checking 3 is present or not in the set. Yes, 3 is present. We have to get the boolean value true for this. Line number 20. Line number 21, we have to get the false. We have to get the element false because we are checking whether 5 is present in the set or not. No, it is not present, right? So 5 is not present. Only 1 3 and 4 is present in the set. So 5 is not present in the set. We have to get the output, or we have to get the boolean value false in this case, right? So we are done with this one. So let's move on with the set operations, right? So let's move on with the set operations here. So I'll just give a, let me initialize a with the set values 1 2 3. So this is fine. Let me initialize b with uh, 3 4 5, 3 4 5. This is fine. Let me print certain things. I'll just give here print. So this one will be union. This one will be union. So this is fine. A union b, a union b. So this is fine. Now let me print certain things. So this will be intersection. So intersection, this is also fine. So this will be a ampersand p, right? So this one intersection will be making use of the ampersand. For the union, we'll be going with the or symbol, this one, right? So for the intersection, we'll be going with the and and symbol. So this is fine. The final one is we have to go with the, let's go with the difference, right? So let's go with the difference. This will be within the strings. I'll just give here difference, and this will be a minus b, a minus b. So this is fine. We have given 1 comma 2. So I mean we have to get the output 1 comma 2 for this. So for the union we have to get the output 1 2 3 4 5 because it set will remove the duplicates, and we have when we are going with the union, it will display on the set will display only the unique values, right? So 3 is already present in a, so this will be 1 2 3 and 4 5 from the b will be added, right? So it will be 1 2 3 4 5. For the intersection part, only 3 is present on both A and B. So A intersection B will be 3, right? So for the last one difference, we have A minus B. We have A minus B, right? So the output that we need to get here is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2, right? So let's see. So let me run the code here. Sorry, the print one. So this will be Python. So this will be rename. So let me copy the name and let me give here. What happened here? Hmm, this is in Python. What happened here? Print is 5 in the set sentence. Invalid syntax per. Yeah, I have forgotten comma here. This is fine. Now we have to get the correct output. So let me give clear screen here. CLS. Let me run this again. See here. The first output here is we have to get the output 1, 2, 3 because we are just removing the duplicates here, right? So, so why we are getting this one first? Syntax warning is with int literal. Do you mean this one? Where? Line number 20. Just give me a second, man. No, we are fine with it actually. This is fine. Literal no. We are just going with this one. What do we call? Strings. So this is fine, man. Print. So this one for the first one, set after creation we are giving, right? So this one is set after the creation, 1, 2, 3 output we need to get, right? So only the unique values 1, 2, 3 we are getting. This is correct. After adding 4, we have to get 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting the correct output 1, 2, 3, 4. So see here, after removing 2 we have given for the remove operation. Here after removing 2 we have to get 1, 3, 4, right? So we are getting the output 1, 3, 4. Is 3 in the set? So we are checking whether 3 is present in the set or not. This is nothing but the difference. Sorry, this is nothing but the basically we are checking the membership, right? So this part, membership test, we are checking membership. Yes, 3 is present in the set. So why this is giving false? This is the error we are getting actually. Is with the int literal. Did you mean double equals? No, man. Suppose if I keep small I here, whether this works now? Let's see. Let me give CLS here. Still, let me give here. Do we have same thing goes with? So do we have here as well? Now, still we are having the syntax warning. Is with int literal is where we are making use of man. Line number 20 is with the int literal. Just give me a second here. So, oh yeah, we are making use of is instead of in. That's what it is trying to say here. Sorry, my head. Sorry, man. So this one, see here, I have given is instead of n. So this was not the problem within the strings, man. So what I'm thinking of, see, let me give here. This is fine. So this is also fine. We are making use of the in keyword, right? So I'm a bit new to the Python, don't mind. So this one has to be basically in. Instead of in, I have given the keyword is. So that's what, that is the reason this is giving us the warning. Basically, let me clear this one. Give py, yeah, py. So this is fine. Now this works absolutely correct. This is not giving any warning. So until here we have this one we have already discussed. So is 3 in set? Yeah, 3 is present in the set, right? So here we have 1, 3, 4. After removal of 2 we have 1, 3, 4. So now yes, it is giving us the boolean value true for the line number 20. For the line number 21, 5 is not present. 1, 3 and 4 are the elements that is present in the set. 5 is not present in the this one set. So we have to get the boolean value false. We are getting the boolean value false. Indeed, we are getting the boolean value false, right? So this is fine. Union. So next we are going with the union intersection difference, right? So here A and B, we have provided some values 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, right? So for the union, we have to get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, 3 will not be considered as we are going with the sets, right? So union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct. Intersection, the element, the I mean common elements that are present in the A and B. Here common elements, common element is 3. Only one element we have that is common in A and B, that is nothing but 3. So intersection 3. This is fine. So difference we have 1 comma 2, right? So difference we have 1 comma 2. So this works absolutely correct, right? Output, we are getting the desired output, right? So now we are familiar with the sets and the operations. Sets and its operation. right? So I hope the concept of sets is completely clear. I hope the this one, whatever. Just give me a second here. I hope the this one sets concept is completely clear along with its operations. So now we are done with the sets. We are done with the sets part. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. Sets basically store only unique elements. We know this, right? Sets only store unique elements, and we can add or remove or test elements quickly. We can add, remove, test elements quickly. We can perform math like operations using the built-in operators as well. We can do it. So I haven't shown this one in the example, but we can, right? So just keep this in mind. It is very helpful. Sets are very helpful for the fast lookup and removing the duplicates. Most of the times we will be making use of sets for the fast lookups and this one removing duplicates. So if you are involved in the this one lead code contests, or if you are giving the lead code contests, or this one CP, whether it may be Codeforces, Codechef, anything, Code or anything, usually we'll be making use of the sets for the faster lookup itself, right? So if you're making use of the Python, any programming language, so even in the Node or in the Java, so usually we make use of the hash set or the set basically for the fast lookup and removing the duplicates itself, right? So we are done with the sets, this one topic. Now next we will be discussing on the lists. So lists will be the last topic within this playlist. So these are the basic concepts at any cost we have to know in the Python, right? So let's finish it off with the lists basically, right? So for now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.